this recording, we will explore how to use our new heart rate program to get heart rate related endpoints from your ActiGraph Leap device that was initialized through ActiLife version 7 and above. First, you'll want to retrieve the installer for the heart rate program by visiting our website, theactigraph.com. Hover over the Academic Research tab and then select ActiLife. From here, you can scroll down until you see the Get ActiLife Key option here. Click on this and you'll be directed to a new page that will ask for your product key. From here, enter your product key and then click Retrieve. You'll then see some download options below, and this will allow you to download the heart rate program, which is located here at the bottom. Now, we have the program already installed on our computer here, so I'm going to open it up and we can take a look and we can see how it works. Note that at the time of this recording, only ActiGraph's Leap device will be compatible with this program. Looking at the program, we notice that it asks us for a few items of interest. So in order to give us heart rate metrics, it requires a raw accelerometer CSV file, a raw PPG CSV file, and a target folder for our output. You also have options here to update the time zone. By default, it will be listed in UTC. But say, for instance, we are in Central, simply click where it says UTC, type in Central, and you'll see that you have time zone options available. So in order to get these files that the program is asking for, we first need to export data into ActiLife and then convert it. So let's explore that real quick. So with ActiLife open, you'll need to first download data from a Leap device, and this will download in the form of a .agsd file. In order to convert that into raw files that will plug into our program, you'll want to click File, hover over Import, Export, Convert, and then navigate below this raw to raw subheader. You'll see an AGSD into CSV option. We can select that, and then we need to add our AGSD file, and then click Export. So now if we open that same directory, we'll notice that we have an AGSD file, and we also have a raw PPG file, a raw accelerometer file, and because I enabled the skin temperature sensor for this Leap device, it also gives us our skin temp. Now, reopening our heart rate program, we can now plug these files in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we've got our accelerometer file. Next is going to be the PPG file. And then lastly, we need to pick a folder that we want the heart rate metrics to export to. All right, so I've got my output file in. Time zone is there. So now with these three items, and after you've selected your appropriate time zone, we can click Start, and the heart rate program will run. Now in our output directory, we have all of our exported files, and these can be opened in Excel or whatever program you'd like that can open a CSV file. This will conclude our tutorial, but if you have questions or are experiencing any issues, please reach out to our support team over email at support@theactigraph.com and we'll get you squared away. Thanks and have a great day.